Hi, this is ASU once again. Today I am here to show you the unboxing of Oppo Reno 8 5G, which I have got on offer at about rupees 25,000. I will explain that you in later. First of all, start with the unboxing. So let's start. So let's start the unboxing of Oppo Reno 8 5G. You can see the brand name over here. Let's unbox it. What do we have in it? We have a cover. The cover is soft. We have SIM ejector tool and all the safety guides and manuals. It is aside. Let's keep this phone also aside. I will back to it later. What else are inside the box? We get a charger. It is 80 watt with super vooc charging. And a USB-C charging cable. That's all in the box, guys. And let's come back to the mobile and keep the other things aside. I have bought this mobile from Amazon for rupees 25,000. The price of the mobile was 27,999, but I got a card discount of rupees 3,000. I am producing this video for that it will be helpful for you all while purchasing this mobile. And after purchasing, what you will all get in the box. The mobile is a good option for those who are switching to 5G for the first time. At this price range, let's switch on the mobile. Let's talk about the specification of the mobile. The mobile comes with MediaTek 1300 processor. It has all the major variants which are supported in India. And it has also dual SIM Nano plus Nano. The display of the mobile is of 6.4 inches with 411 ppi AMOLED display. The refresh rate of the display is of 90 Hz. That is the backward point of this mobile. At this price point, it should be of 120 Hz refresh rate. The camera modules of the back side are of Sony sensors. One is of 50 megapixel, the other one is of 8 megapixel, the other one is of 2 megapixel with LED flash. The front camera is of 32 megapixel, punch hole camera. It has USB Type-C port and the battery is of 4500 mAh. The device has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, which is not expandable. That's all of the specifications. And I will provide a complete review of this device later. So stay tuned for more videos on my channel. I will provide more useful videos on my channel. If you like my video and found it useful, please give it a like and subscribe.